Cool. So let's move on. So we have covered arithmetic operators. Next, I want to talk about bitwise operators. Okay. How many of you are aware of binary representation of a number? Binary numbers. Can I get a yes or no? Are you all aware of what are binary numbers? Okay. Can you tell the binary representation of 10? 1010, right? 8 plus 2, 10. So 1010, right? So even with binary numbers, there are some operators associated with them. How many of you are aware of binary operators? Can you mention the binary operators that are there? Or and and, right? So let's take two numbers and calculate their bitwise OR. Okay. Let me give 5 and 2 only. What do you think? What will be bitwise OR of 5 and 2? So let's represent the binary representation. Let's say this is 5. So 5 is what in binary? 4 plus 1. And 2 is what? This. So what will be there? Or 111, which is 7. Does everyone agree with this? That so what do we do in OR? In OR, if even one of them is 1, then the result is 1. If both of them were 0 somewhere, so for example, if this was not 2, but this was, let's say, uh, uh, 4 for that matter, so it would have been 100. So now for the second bit, as both of them are 0, it will be 0. So 101. Does that make sense? Yes or no? How OR is evaluated? So you look at every bit. If that bit has any one as 1, then the result also has 1 there. Does that make sense? So for 5 and 2, we'll get 7. Okay. Let's also evaluate AND. So what happens in AND? What happens in case of AND? Will it be 1? Think about it. Anyone? Bitwise AND? 0, right? It will be 0. Why? So for AND, any bit will have 1 only if both had 1. So if you look at the first bit also, this is 1, this is 0. So it will be 0. 0, 1 will also be 0. 1, 0 will also be 0. So 0, 0, 0, which is in fact 0. And lastly, we have XOR. So A, XOR B. What does XOR say? If the bits are different, then it will be 1. If the bits are same, then it will be 0. So 1, 0 is 1. 0, 1 is also 1. But 0, 0 and 1, 1 will be 0. So this will also in fact here be 7. But if I take some other number like 3, so last bit will become 0 in that case. Are all these three clear? So I'll just mention here. So for any bit, if both are 0, then that bit is 0, otherwise 1. Here, if both are 1, then it is 1, otherwise 0. And in the last one, if both are same, then it is 0, otherwise it is 1. Does that make sense? So let me just run this and give 5 and 2. Of course. Hmm, 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 hmm. So 7, 0, and 7 as expected. If I give 5 and 3, so let me just do this. So or again 1, 1, 1, so 7, and only last bit will remain 1. So 1. XOR last bit will become 0, but rest 2 will be 1. So 6. Does this make sense? Bitwise operators, yes or no? And or XOR.